Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And I had a question from a viewer at Tim Taylor 4476 was asking about the white mowing deck and how to hook it up. So let me show you. As you can see, the mounting bracket is right there. Just has the 3 pins on this side. You can see how your belt goes and hooks into the wheel, flywheel. You can see this side has the 1 pin, one on the inside. Goes back here to the springs. One spring goes all the way up through. That's how that goes. That hooks into the back. Well, I didn't see a diagram on the deck. Usually there's a sticker, but you can see the belt goes around there, across the back, and then just back around. Hopefully this answers the question that you had. You can see the hook up here on the front. And if not, I'll try to answer any more questions you have. Till the next one.